Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Melissa with Belle of the Bath. Today I'm going to make a charcoal tea tree soap. I am going to put a little bit of an accent color in it, but not much. The majority of it's going to be black, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of green in it just for effect. This is an essential oil only soap, and the design is going to be pretty simple. Have the black base. I'm going to pour about 3/4 of that into the mold, and the accent color will be used as a drop swirl. And then I will take my little chippy chopstick and I'll do a little swirl with that. And then I'll finish it off with the rest of the black. And I'll probably save a little bit of the green for the top, like I said, just to give it a little bit of effect to it. And I think that's gonna be about it. So let's get started. And I also want to point this out again. I don't usually stop my videos for this. I haven't in a while anyway. But I soap really cool about room temperature, which for here is between 75, 85 degrees. And as you can see, you see how long I've been blending, and you see it's like applesauce where it's all separating. This is false trace. So, well, this is actually separation. But during my blending, it seems like I blend a whole lot, and I really do. I blend way more than most other soapers, and the reason being is because I use a lot less water, and I soap cooler, which does give you more room or more time to work, believe it or not. A lot of people think more water means more working time. Higher temps mean more working time, and that's just not the case. Not always. I guess it is recipe dependent, but for the most part, cooler temps, less water equals more fluid batter for longer. So when you get to this point and you think your batter's thickening at first, and then if you'll watch it, it'll start to separate. I'm just going to go over this real quick one more time for those who haven't been here before. All right, so I'm going to continue blending past this, and we're going to get to a very light emulsion. Now you can see everything is cohesive. It has not reached trace yet, and it's very, very fluid. It's super liquidy. And I'll apologize for those of you who have been here for a while and you've heard me say the same thing over and over and over again. But there are people, you know, new to the channel who come on, and, you know, they might come on this video instead of some of the older ones, and they might not necessarily know. I have a lot of actual soap makers that are subscribed to my channel, and a lot of them are learning and would like to, you know, get helpful tips and tricks and things for, you know, making soap. And so I do like to go back over the same thing occasionally, just so anyone who's wondering, the information's there for them. Those little tips are really helpful, and that's why I like to go back over it. So I apologize if you've heard it 20 million times, but I do like to put it out there for those who might be new to the channel. I'm gonna put this to bed. I'm actually gonna leave it sitting right here for now. But it will be 10 to 12 hours and we'll come back for the cutting portion of the video. And we'll see how well that swirl did on the inside, if the batter was too fluid to really get a good pattern in it. But I think it's gonna be a-okay. And the top looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the sparkles in this green. Oh, it's beautiful and it smells amazing. All right, guys, I'll see you for the cutting video. Good morning, my lovely fam. We're now going to cut the charcoal and tea tree soap. I'm so excited to see how this one turned out on the inside. I love the color variation on top, just from those greens. It's so adorable. Smells amazing. This tea tree is, whew, smells good. All right, let's get this puppy cut. See what we have. So here we go. This is the inside. Not very much color at all. I just wanted a little highlight and this is perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Just that little bit of color gives it a pop. And the charcoal soap feels so nice on the skin. And then you have your added benefit of the tea tree oil in there. I can't state what those benefits are. That's going to be, you know, that's going to have to be something you research. I can't claim my soap will do anything other than clean. But tea tree oil itself does have benefits. So take that how you will. Oh yeah, I think these bars are lovely. I just love charcoal soaps. I think that green is perfect. There was like a combo of the green that I mixed up. And I'm liking it. I like it a lot. So all the soaps in our spring line, with the exception of 2, have green in them. And, you know, for obvious reasons. One is Breeze soap, and it's the sky blue. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love this. But yeah, one is the Breeze soap, and the other one I haven't done for you guys on camera yet, so you'll know it when you see it. It's coming up very shortly, and I'm excited about it too. But yeah, every other soap in the collection for spring has green, but those 2. So yay! All right, guys, thanks for hanging with me while I cut the soap. I appreciate you watching the soaping video and the cutting. Please feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Belle of the Bath. You may also purchase our products at belleofthebath.com. And I will see you guys back for the next soaping video.